Hello friends, how are you all? I'm back with my weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 9th of August till 15th of August based on your zodiac sign. So I give readings as per moon sign. अगर आपको आपका moon sign नहीं पता है तो आप वेस्टर्न जोडियक से भी ये रीडिंग देख सकते हैं, जो भी जोडियक से आप रेजोनेट करते हैं. इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग. आप यूनिवर्स से कनेक्ट कीजिए, फेथ रखिए, आप डेफिनेटली ये गाइडेंस के साथ रेजोनेट करेंगे. मैं टाइम स्टैम्प दे दूंगी ऑल द जोडियक साइंस का, तो आप अपने जोडियक से वो रीडिंग देख सकते हैं. फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज टॉक और असिस्टेंट मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अपने ईमेल आईडी, फेसबुक पेज, इंस्टाग्राम पेज और ट्विटर सब मेंशन कर दूंगी. यू कैन फॉलो मी देयर थ्रेड, सो यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी एंड फॉलो मी. आप ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं. तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल हिमानी गोयल सोल स्टूडियो. प्रेस द बेल आइकन ताकि आपको न्यू वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए जब भी मैं टैरो वीडियोस अपलोड करूं. ऑल्सो शेयर कीजिए ये वीडियो अपने फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ ताकि वो भी ये वीकली गाइडेंस इंजॉय कर सकें. कहीं स्टक हैं, कुछ सोल्यूशन चाहिए, कंफ्यूज्ड हैं, कोई डिसीजन लेना है, तो ये रीडिंग आपको डेफिनेटली रेजोनेट करेगी. तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट जोडियक से. फर्स्ट जोडियक इज एरीज. चलिए देखते हैं एरीज के लिए क्या कार्ड है. सो एरीज के लिए कार्ड आया है द एम्प्रेस का, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू नीड टू टेक एक्शन. वॉट एवर यू हैव ड्रीम्स, वॉट एवर गोल्स you have, it's the time to take action. This card also tells pampering yourself, go for a self-care. Also, it requires creativity. तो आप अपने वर्क प्लेस पे कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो, it requires creativity. Make the use of creativity. Also, this week you will be successful, financially abundant, and you enjoy the life of luxury. If you are planning for a baby, this is the right week for you to plan for a baby. So this card also suggests pregnancy, but based on personalized reading, if you are having one or more cards, then it is confirmed. But this card tells you that this is the right week for planning your baby. So all the best, Aries. चलिए next zodiac sign Taurus, वृषभ राशि. Let's see the guidance for Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, for you the card which I have pulled is 9 of summer, which means this is the wish card. All your wishes will come true. Keep on manifesting your dreams and desires. This is the right week where all your dreams will be fulfilled. All your desires will be fulfilled. Your wishes will come true. Universe blessings are with you. It's a magical time of your life. So just have gratitude and pray to universe for your wishes to be granted. All the best, Taurus. Okay, so now let us check the guidance for Gemini. मिथुन राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो फॉर जेमिनाई वी हैव पुल्ड द कार्ड हर्मिट, which means this week you need to find a mentor who can guide you what exactly you need in life, what is your life purpose. You have to, if you are struggling to get the right career or you want to find job opportunity, so you need a mentor who can guide you and who can help you in planning your life purpose. It's the time to take a break from society, look within yourself, introspect what exactly you need in life. So definitely you will get the answer, but for that you need to take a break from everything and go for a solitude. Also, this week suggests Gemini for a commitment to your spiritual growth. So it is the time to connect with some spiritual practices and get yourself healed or committed towards spiritual growth. All the best, Gemini. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक साइन कर्क राशि कैंसर. Let's see the card. What is the card guidance for Cancer? Okay, so Cancerians, for you the card is 8 of Summer, which means this is the right time to find meaningful life. It's the time to move on. You have put lot of efforts, but the situation or person is not changing. So it is the time to move on. Staying with cause you pain and discomfort, so it is the time to move on. It is the time and desire to find a meaningful life. You have to choose major life changes in your life. You have to be strong enough to move on from the situation or circumstances or person who is no longer serving you. So the time to move on. All the best, Cancer. चलिए next zodiac sign, Leo. Let's see what is the guidance for Singh Rashi. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is life experience, which means this is the week where you need to let go of belief systems which is no longer work for you. It's the time to change old habits and be new version. So that is what they are saying. Let go of belief system, old habits which is no longer serving you. There might be an important life changing event that will change the situation. It can be you might get a job opportunity which you were looking for long, or you might leave a relationship which was no longer serving you to find new life path. Also, there might be a situation that lead to significant opportunities. So that what I'm saying, you have to leave behind old systems and go for a new system that work for you. So it is the time, life changing event for you. It is a situation that will lead to significant opportunities. So all the best, Leo. Now move on to Virgo, Kanya Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is the Dreamer, which means embrace your true purpose. You have to take risk, whether to start a new project or to change the job career. So you have to take the risk based on leap of faith. Always first time to take risk and find the solution. So it's a good time for embracing your true purpose. Begin your new adventure. Trust yourself. You have to take risk and begin your new adventure based on leap of faith and universe blessings. Trust yourself and move on. Embrace new opportunities. So all the best, Virgo. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign, Libra. Let's see the guidance for Libra. Okay, Libra, for you we have a beautiful card, 6 of Spring, which means you might receive a wonderful news which is on its way. It can be promotion, it can be salary hike, or the job which you were looking for since long. You will get that job, or your hard work will be appreciated in your current company. You will get rewards and recognition that will boost that will morale your confidence and encourage you to work hard. It is always advisable that smart choices bring rewards. So you have to take smart choices to get rewards and recognition. So that's what smart choices bring: visible rewards, success and public recognition. So this week you will have success in your life, you will have public recognition, you will have wonderful news on its way. So all the best, Libra. Chaliye, next zodiac, Scorpio. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is 10 of Autumn, which means this is the week where you need to ensure financial security for your children and loved ones. You might be making wise investments in mutual funds or any savings for your children financial security or your loved ones. You are also planning for your retirement. So overall is the week to plan for your future. It is the week for plan for your children, for your loved ones, and for your retirement. You also might be honoring your family tradition. You will be following your family tradition, working towards it. So all the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead and with the next zodiac sign, Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance for Sagittarians. Okay, so for Sagittarians we have the card Six of Summer, which means this week there might be, you might be thinking about your childhood memories. You will relive those moments. You will be remembering those events, feeling joy in your heart, or you might become childlike, without any worries, moving ahead like a child. Also, there might be return of your ex or your old friend with whom you will have a great time spending together. You will relive those memories and enjoy the time. And also we need to look at the events. If we are remembering our past, we should remember them with a happy heart and not with worries if there is some mistakes happen. So those mistakes are gone. You have to learn from them. You should not see the worst side of your dreams. You have to see how happy you are and learn from it. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Capricorn. Let's see the guidance for Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, for you the card is Five of Autumn, which means this week you might be facing financial challenges, money related issues. So save money so that in case of emergency you can use them, or else leave your ego and reach out to others for assistance. You can take loans or you can ask them for help if you are facing any money related challenges. This is not the right week for career change. Stay wherever you are, put your efforts and not go on hurriedly for a career change. This is not the right time and you will face failures which will make you more disappointed. So this is not the right week. All the best, Capricorn. The next zodiac sign, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is Seven of Autumn, which means this week you need to have patience and you should not worry. Take time to rest and plan for the next step after your rest, because if you have a fresh mind, you can plan your next step. So it is always good to take some rest. Don't over exhaust yourself and have patience. Things will move when universe want them to move. So you don't worry. Give your problems to universe. They will take care of it. Also, this week you might be planning for investment. Also, it is the time for a prudent investment of time and money which will help you in long run. So all the best, Aquarius. The last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. So for Pisces, we have the card Seven of Winter, which means there might be lot of better choices. So you should not stick to the choice which is not meant for you and you are not seeing things clearly because you are focusing on the situation which is not meant for you. You are not able to see this and holding on that choice. So you are running away from the truth. You have to face it. Don't run away from the truth. There are better choices available. You have to see them clearly. All the best, Pisces, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope these guidances will help you to plan your week and remove your confusion. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.